Welcome to ARLOOPA Studio. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a face-tracking AR experience. Whether you want to add 3D accessories, masks, or creative effects to faces in augmented reality, this step-by-step guide will help you bring your vision to life. Let's start by clicking on the Create New Experience button to begin. Now you need to choose the type of experience you want to build. For this tutorial, we will select Face Tracking. Click on the Face Tracking option. Next, you will be prompted to choose the type of content you want to use. For this type of AR experience, a 3D file is often the best choice. Scroll down to the 3D Files section, where you can either upload your own model or choose one from Sketchfab's 3D stock library. For this tutorial, we'll upload a 3D file directly from our computer, so we select 3D File. Now it's time to upload your 3D model. You can click in the upload area or simply drag and drop your file. Once you've selected your file, the upload process will begin. You can see the progress on the screen. ARLOOPA Studio will automatically convert your 3D model to ensure optimal performance within the platform. Great, the upload is complete. Now, let's click Next to proceed to the editing stage where we can position and adjust our 3D model. Welcome to the ARLOOPA Studio Editor. Here, you'll see your 3D model and a face template in one scene. Use the intuitive tools at the top to adjust its position, rotation, and scale. You can also fine-tune the model directly using the on-screen controls to ensure a perfect fit. This preview lets you see how your model will appear in augmented reality when applied to a face. Take your time to adjust the placement until you're fully satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Now give your experience a name. Let's call this one ARLOOPA Face Tracking Tutorial. You can also add a description if you like. Finally, click the Publish button to make your experience live. Congratulations! Your face tracking experience is now published. You can check its status as pending in the My Experiences section. The studio admin will review your content, and if it complies with the guidelines, it will be approved within a few minutes. To preview or share your experience, click on it to open a web page displaying a QR code. Scan the QR code with your device's camera to be redirected to the ARLOOPA app, where you can view your face tracking AR. Alternatively, you can access it by following the experience link on your phone or by navigating to the My Models category in the ARLOOPA app.